Welcome to this BodyMaitre guided meditation for 4 body self-mastery. Today, together with your higher self and the collective angelic team, we are awakening one of the most transformative frequencies available to humanity: self-awareness. Self-awareness is the beginning of every transformation. Before we can heal, we must become aware. Before we can grow, we must become aware. Before we can choose differently, we must first notice what is happening within us. Self-awareness is not self-judgment. It is loving observation. It is seeing clearly, without criticism, without blame, without resistance. Today, you are becoming the compassionate observer of your own life. As awareness expands, freedom naturally follows. Everything unfolds only for your highest good. You are completely protected, lovingly guided, and deeply supported. Find a comfortable position. Allow your hands to rest naturally. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Again, breathing in presence. Breathing out distractions. One more deep breath. Feel yourself arriving in this moment. Nothing to fix, nothing to chase, nothing to prove, only this present moment. Imagine a beautiful sphere of crystal white and golden light surrounding your entire body. This is your sanctuary of awareness. Within this sacred space, truth becomes clear. Your higher self now joins you. The collective angelic team lovingly surrounds you. You are safe, you are seen, you are supported. Imagine yourself entering the magnificent temple of infinite consciousness. You gently step onto the radiant BodyMaitre command deck. Above you, a pillar of brilliant white golden light descends from infinite source. Below you, Mother Earth lovingly anchors every part of your being. Take another slow breath. Silently say, engage. Instantly, the command deck awakens. Sacred geometry begins rotating beneath your feet. Golden circles of consciousness expand around you. The angelic hologram activates. You have entered your multi-dimensional observation space, a place where you may see yourself clearly, with love. Before you, 4 luminous versions of yourself begin appearing: your spiritual body, your mental body, your emotional body, your physical body. Each one reflects a beautiful aspect of your consciousness. Each one is ready to awaken greater awareness. Take another deep breath in and slowly exhale. Bring your awareness to your spiritual body. See brilliant diamond white light surrounding it. The infinite source now downloads the consciousness of self-awareness into your soul. You begin remembering you are not your experiences. You are the awareness witnessing your experiences. Allow this illuminating light to activate your highest spiritual vision, awakening the eternal observer within you. Feel this crystal clarity anchor into your soul's blueprint, reminding you that you are not your passing thoughts or temporary struggles, but the infinite awareness behind them. Silently repeat, I now activate the consciousness of self-awareness. I remember who I truly am. I observe with wisdom. I awaken my higher consciousness. I realize every experience is an opportunity to grow. I become the loving observer of my life. Allow this realization to anchor deeply. Pause. Receive. Take a gentle, clarifying breath in and let it go. Bring your awareness to your mental body. Beautiful sapphire and golden light illuminates every thought. The consciousness of self-awareness gently downloads into your mind. Old unconscious thinking begins slowing down. Your mind becomes spacious, clear, quiet. You begin noticing thoughts without becoming them. Visualize this frequency downloading into your subconscious, piercing through mental fog, deeply ingrained illusions, and the habit of living on autopilot. We now install the consciousness of objective observation as your new mental baseline. Allow this energy to program your mind to witness your thoughts clearly without judgment or attachment. Silently repeat. I now install self-awareness into my mind. I observe my thoughts with kindness. I choose thoughts that serve my highest good. My awareness creates new possibilities. My mind becomes clear and conscious. I become the master of my thinking. Pause. Notice the peaceful silence between your thoughts. Breathe in this mental clarity and exhale. Now bring your attention to your emotional body. Beautiful emerald, turquoise, and rose gold light gently surrounds your heart. The consciousness of self-awareness now flows into your emotions. Rather than reacting, you begin observing. Rather than resisting, you begin understanding. Every emotion becomes a messenger. Every feeling becomes wisdom. Imagine this light resting in your center, creating a calm, still anchor amidst any emotional waves. Allow yourself to truly feel the profound peace of emotional intelligence, where you can observe your feelings without being consumed by them. Let it wash away emotional reactivity, allowing a balanced, grounded truth to emerge from within your heart space. Give this frequency permission to express itself fully. Silently repeat, I now feel self-awareness. I welcome every emotion with compassion. I allow my feelings to teach me. I respond instead of reacting. My heart becomes wise. My emotions become my allies. Feel your heart becoming peaceful, curious, compassionate, open. Take a deep, centered breath into your heart and release. Bring your awareness to your physical body. Notice your breathing. Notice your heartbeat. Notice every sensation. Golden light flows into every cell, every muscle, every organ. Your body becomes more present, more alive, more conscious. By grounding this vibration, you allow self-awareness to materialize as conscious, intentional living. As you embody this consciousness, it manifests as mindful action in your daily reality. Silently repeat, my body lives with awareness. I honor my body's wisdom. Every breath brings me into the present. My actions become intentional. I move with purpose. I embody conscious living. Feel every cell becoming awake. Your body becomes your greatest teacher. Breathe in deeply, anchoring this profound presence into your physical form. Now the four bodies begin moving toward one another: the spiritual body, the mental body, the emotional body, the physical body. Golden streams of light connect all four. Awareness now flows effortlessly through every level of your being. Spirit illuminates the mind. Mind understands the heart. Heart guides the body. Body expresses the soul. The four bodies become one unified field of conscious awareness. You are fully present, fully awake, fully aligned. Your higher self now gently steps toward you, looking deeply into your eyes with infinite love. Your higher self softly says, "Awareness is your greatest gift. Awareness is your freedom. Awareness allows you to choose. Awareness transforms your life. Continue observing with love. Every moment of awareness expands your consciousness." A brilliant diamond white light enters your heart. This becomes your inner light of awareness. Whenever you pause, it illuminates your path. Now imagine yourself 1 month from today, living with self-awareness. Notice how calm you feel. Notice how wisely you respond. Notice how quickly you recognize your patterns. Notice healthier choices. Notice deeper relationships. Notice inner peace. Notice greater abundance. Notice authentic confidence. Observe yourself living intentionally instead of automatically. Your subconscious mind learns from this future version of yourself. This is becoming your new reality. Now imagine this beautiful consciousness expanding beyond you, into your family, your workplace, your community, humanity. Your awareness naturally inspires awareness in others. Your presence becomes peaceful, your words become wise, your life becomes an example of conscious living. Take another deep breath. The collective angelic team lovingly seals today's installation. Your higher self gently confirms. The consciousness of self-awareness has now been activated, downloaded, installed, integrated, anchored, and is naturally unfolding at the perfect pace for your highest good. Every moment of awareness strengthens your evolution. Every conscious choice transforms your future. Bring awareness back to your breathing. Feel your body. Feel the chair supporting you. Feel your feet connected to Mother Earth. Gently wiggle your fingers, move your shoulders, and when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Welcome to a more conscious version of yourself. Thank you for sharing this sacred journey with the BodyMaitre community. Return to this meditation whenever you wish to deepen your awareness and strengthen your four bodies mastery. Each time you listen, the consciousness of self-awareness becomes more deeply embodied within your spiritual body, your mental body, your emotional body, and your physical body. Remember, awareness is the beginning of all healing. Awareness is the beginning of all transformation. Awareness is the doorway to your authentic self. Until next time, may your higher self and the collective angelic team continue guiding every step of your four bodies mastery journey.